In a bustling city, a boy named Jack lives with his mother in a small apartment. Jack loves to draw, and his favorite thing to draw is a big, colorful dragon. He dreams of one day meeting a real dragon, but everyone tells him that dragons don't exist. One day, while walking home from school, Jack sees an old, dusty shop he has never noticed before. The shop sign reads, "Curiosity and Wonders." Inside, the shop is filled with strange and interesting objects, old maps, sparkling stones, and strange statues. In the back corner, Jack finds a small, wooden box with a dragon carved on the lid. The shopkeeper, an elderly man with a kind smile, tells Jack that the box is special, and that it once belonged to a great adventurer. He says the box will only open for someone with a true imagination. Jack buys the box with his saved pocket money and rushes home. At home, Jack carefully opens the box, and to his surprise, a small golden egg is inside. That night, the egg begins to glow and shake. By morning, the egg hatches and out pops a tiny real dragon. The dragon is no bigger than Jack's hand, but it has bright red scales and tiny wings. Jack names the dragon Ember, and they quickly become best friends. However, Jack soon realizes that keeping a dragon in the city is not easy. Ember grows bigger every day, and he starts to accidentally cause trouble, knocking over furniture and setting off smoke alarms with his little bursts of fire. Jack knows he must find a safe place for Ember to live. He remembers the old maps he saw in the shop and returns to ask the shopkeeper for help. The shopkeeper shows Jack a secret map that leads to a hidden valley far outside the city, where other magical creatures live in peace. With the shopkeeper's help, Jack and Ember set off on an adventure to find the hidden valley. Along the way, they face challenges, crossing a fast river, sneaking past a curious park ranger, and finding food for a growing dragon. But with each challenge, their bond grows stronger. When they finally reach the hidden valley, they find a place where Ember can grow up safe and free. Jack is sad to say goodbye, but he knows it's the right thing to do. Before leaving, the shopkeeper gives Jack a magical pencil, saying that as long as Jack keeps drawing, Ember will always be with him in spirit. Back in the city, Jack continues to draw, filling his room with pictures of Ember and their adventures. He knows that even though Ember is far away, their friendship will last forever. And every now and then, when the night is quiet, Jack looks out his window and imagines he sees a flash of red scales flying high in the sky.